Hi, I'm Katura, the community manager here at Blue Notary, and today we're going to look at how you can join a session through your journal. So, this is our home screen. And so, here on the left, we're going to look at our journal tab. So, let's click that. And here I have a session ready, and I'm going to press join. Now, here, this is the screen that you're going to see right before you join. So, you see your camera, your microphone, and your speakers. And we're going to join the session. And so now we've successfully joined our session. Here's our document ready to tag and sign. I hope this helped. Thanks for being part of the Blue Notary community.